All right, guys, you want to see a car crash? I'm just kidding. The only reason I'm doing this video is because my Tesla recorded it. And I thought, hey, why, spoil a really good opportunity at showing you guys some dash cam footage. This particular car, I'm not sure if all the Teslas do this, but this one records from four different perspectives: the front, the rear, the left, and the right. And I didn't even really know this until I actually needed to rely on it. I sent this to a Progressive, which was the other driver's insurance, and it was very helpful very quickly. It didn't even take them a day. I think it took them just a couple hours. They looked at the videos and they um, sided with me putting liability on the other car that hit me. So I guess the two best angles for this collision are going to be the rear camera and the side camera. So let's go ahead and run through this again. I'll start with the side camera so you can see the vehicle coming out. There it goes. And then right there on impact, I'll switch to the rear, go back a couple of seconds so you guys can see it again. And yeah, just like that, the camera was able to prove the case. And I do not know really what they would have said when I got out of the vehicle. I told them right away that it was filmed, and I didn't say that to intimidate them. I just kind of just blurted it out like, hey, this isn't going to be a problem. But I probably should have thought about that, because even though it's not a problem for me, it is a problem for them. They were very nice. They didn't say hardly anything at all. I just let them know. Everybody took pictures of the vehicles. I sent this in to Progressive, and they reviewed the video and sided with me. So yeah, I think I said that already. If you guys have any questions, feel free to post them down in the comments below. After the end screen pops up, I'm gonna run all four videos, one after the other, so you can see each video in high definition. All three. Three of the cameras that the Tesla recorded from were the same size and definition. For some reason, the rear camera was a little different. It looks like it was a wider. It may be a little bit less quality, but at the same time, it got a wider perspective with the rear camera. So I just wanted to point that out to you guys. If you notice that it doesn't quite look the same as the other three, that's the reason why.